Custom brick 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home featuring large open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, custom millwork, granite and cabinets by Henry's. 2 fireplaces, indoor and outdoor, with hand-laid stone. Formal living and dining. Bonus pre-wired and plumbed for additional price.